Good morning, students. I hope you all are having fun with your studies. Today, we are going to start your new chapter, chapter 3rd, Robotics and Artificial Intelligence. The future of computers is here. We all have read the fifth generation is robotics and artificial intelligence. The computers of fifth generation are based on artificial intelligence. What is a robot? A robot is a machine programmable by a computer. It is capable of carrying out a complex series of actions automatically. क्या है रोबोट? रोबोट एक मशीन है which can be programmed, मतलब उसके सारे instructions we can write on a computer. It is capable of carrying out a complex series of action. कोई भी complicated series of action को भी वो capable है करने के लिए. ठीक है? Robot can be controlled by external device or internally. Robots को either we can control by an external device or we can put some sensors inside the robot to control it. Trivia. The term robot comes from the Czech word robota, that means drudgery or hard work and forced labor. Robots only do what they are programmed for. They don't do anything extra, right? So they'll do only what they are programmed for. George Devol, the grandfather of robotics, invented the first commercial robot, which was called Unimate. This was the first commercial robot. It was called Unimate. Robotics. Robotics is a branch of science and engineering that deals with the design, construction, operation, and application of robots as well as computer systems for their control and information processing. So when we are talking about robots, आपको क्या क्या करना पड़ेगा? उसको डिजाइन करना पड़ेगा, उसको कंस्ट्रक्ट करना पड़ेगा, बिल्ड करना पड़ेगा. Then you have to define its operation, that the robot is supposed to do, and then you have to also define the application, means where the robot is going to be used. So all that thing and the system to control the robot and control the information processing done for the robot, that whole together is a branch of science and engineering. यहाँ पे साइंस भी लगता है और इंजीनियरिंग भी लगता है. Okay, so that is robotics. This technology is used to develop machines that can substitute for humans and replicate human action. ये रोबोटिक्स जो टेक्नोलॉजी है ये क्यों है? दिस इज टू डेवलप मशीन्स, ऐसे रोबोट्स बनाने के लिए दैट कैन सब्स्टिट्यूट फॉर ह्यूमंस, जो ह्यूमन की जगह ले सके. ठीक है? इन वेरियस फील्ड्स व्हेन द थिंग्स आर डिफिकल्ट, द रोबोट्स कैन टेक ह्यूमंस प्लेस. ओके, एंड रेप्लिकेट ह्यूमंस एक्शन, और वही करें जो ह्यूमन वहां पे करने वाला था. ठीक है? Robots can be used in many situations and for lots of purposes. बहुत सारी situation में बहुत सारे purpose के लिए we can use robots. However, today they are used to work in dangerous environment, including bomb detection and deactivation, manufacturing purposes, or where human cannot survive, for example, in space, underwater, high heat, cleanup and control of hazardous material and radiation. ओके, तो अभी हम मोस्टली रोबोट्स का यूज कहाँ करते हैं? इन दोज प्लेसेस विच आर डेंजरस फॉर ह्यूमन बीइंग. ठीक है? वी गॉट टू नो अबाउट अ बॉम्ब. तो बॉम्ब स्क्वाड आएगा एंड इट विल डिटेक्ट द बॉम्ब एंड डीएक्टिवेट द बॉम्ब. तो उस काम के लिए भी वी कैन यूज रोबोट्स. ठीक है? फॉर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, गरम गरम यू हैव टू हैंडल द स्टील, हॉट स्टील. So in that area also you can use robots. Okay, now in a place like underwater, space, high heat, more temperature वाली places, और जहाँ पे हजार्डस मटेरियल एंड रेडियो एक्टिव मटेरियल जो होते हैं, राइट, उनको हैंडल करना है, उनको क्लीन अप करना है, उनको कंट्रोल करना है, इन ऑल दो सिचुएशंस व्हिच आर dangerous for human being, robots can be used. Types of robots based on applications. Industrial robot. See, there are basically two types of robots based on their applications. One is industrial robot and another one is service robot. Okay. And then there are sub parts of these. An industrial robot is a robot system used for manufacturing and similar processes. Okay, manufacturing या manufacturing के जैसे processes. They are often designed to perform dangerous as well as repetitive tasks. उनको हम यूज करते हैं, डिजाइन करते हैं to perform dangerous and repetitive tasks. Industrial robots are most often fixed machines. वो एक जगह पे fix होते हैं, which are essentially mechanical arms. Normally वो they are just mechanical arms. उनका कोई face वगैरह नहीं होता है, right? They work with high endurance, speed and precision. वो बहुत मेहनत से बिना थके हुए काम करते हैं with full speed and full precision. Precision means exactness. ठीक है, अगर आपको 1 mm का मेजरमेंट करता है तो दे वॉन्ट गो फ्रॉम 1 to 1.1 mm, बट ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम ह्यूमन गेट्स टायर्ड एंड द मेजरमेंट जो है वो चेंज हो जाता है ह्यूमन से. ओके. Typical application of industrial robots include welding, painting, packaging and labeling, product inspection and testing. Okay, so normally these are the fields in industries where robots are used. Welding करना है, painting, packaging and labeling, जहाँ पे आपको बिल्कुल सारा काम you have to do it with immense precision. Okay, there robots are being used. Here are few pictures of industrial robots. Just look at them. They are just like simply a arm which is working. Okay, that's why they are called, what are they called? Mechanical arms. Okay, clear? Okay. Trivia. The first industrial robot which we talked about, Unimate, transported die casting from assembly line and welded these parts on auto body. ठीक है, तो वो डाई कास्टिंग से बने हुए जो असेंबली लाइन के पार्ट्स थे उनको वो ऑटो बॉडीज पे, मतलब आपके व्हीकल की बॉडी पे ले जाके वो वेल्ड करता था. इट वॉज अ डेंजरस टास्क फॉर वर्कर्स. ये टास्क वर्कर्स के लिए क्या था? डेंजरस था. हु कुड बी पॉइजन्ड बाय एग्जॉस्ट गैस और लूज अ लिम्ब इफ दे वर नॉट केयरफुल. तो इस पूरे प्रोसेस में जो गैस रिलीज होती थी या जो भी उनके लिए जो dangerous part था, like उनके they could have lose their hand, leg, whatever. ठीक है, तो that's why the first industrial robot was made. Okay. Service robots. Now service robots are used to assist human beings by performing a job that is dirty, dull, distant, dangerous or repetitive. ठीक है, ऐसे बोरिंग काम है, गंदा काम है जो हमें नहीं करना, या बहुत डेंजरस काम है, या एक ही काम है जिसको यू हैव टू डू मल्टीपल टाइम्स. दो all those kind of tasks are being done by service robots. Okay, they are doing even household chores like cleaning using vacuum cleaners, self-driving cars, drones and surgeries also. Okay, these are all being done by service robots. So let's see some service robots. First one is agricultural robots. Now what we are doing is we are dividing the service robot according to their application, or you can say field. So these are advanced sensors using devices. The agricultural robots are, they spray for weed control. They will sense, okay, here weed control is required, so they will spray there. Okay, they will harvest crops, plant seeds and trim existing plants and trees. Okay, so that's a picture of an agriculture robot. Domestic or household robot. These include many quite different devices such as robotic vacuum cleaners, robotic pool cleaners, sweepers, gutter cleaners, and other robots that can do different chores for human beings. Okay. Trivia. Drones are unpiloted aircraft. We did mention drones in service robots, right? So drones are unpiloted aircrafts used for various purposes such as military operations, surveillance, even taking pictures in marriage functions. That is happening nowadays, right? So they are various uses of drones. Entertainment robots. Entertainment robots are for playing, for entertaining the users. There are various options available, such as toy robots like RoboSapiens or running alarm clock, and even the robot arms used as motion simulators. ठीक है, motion simulators कि जैसे हम robot arm को भी entertainment purpose के लिए use करते हैं. Military robots. This type of robots include bomb disposal robots, different transportation robots, exploration drones. ठीक है, तो जो बॉम्ब को डिस्पोज कर सके और ट्रांसपोर्ट करवा सके चीजों का. एक्सप्लोरेशन ड्रोन्स मतलब वो एक्सप्लोर कर सके कि यहाँ पे कोई वी डोंट हैव एनी टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटी और सम काइंड ऑफ थिंग. Often, robots which were initially created for military purposes can be used in law enforcement field, search and rescue, and other related fields. So, the robots which were developed for military, those can also be used in various places like law enforcement, search and rescue, and other such fields. See, here are few pictures of military robots. That one looks like a tank, and this is an insect-sized drone developed in America. Okay. Motion simulator is a mechanism that creates the feeling of being in the real motion environment. Means अगर आप किसी एयरक्राफ्ट के मोशन सिमुलेटर में बैठेंगे तो आपको बिल्कुल वैसे फील होगा कि आप असली के एरोप्लेन में बैठे हैं और उड़ रहे हैं. ठीक है. Artificial intelligence. Now we have done our robots part and now we are moving on to artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a way of making a computer controlled robot or a software to think intelligently in the similar manner the humans think. ठीक है, तो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस क्या है? इट इज अ वे, इट इज अ मेथड. किस चीज का मेथड है? टू मेक अ कंप्यूटर और अ कंप्यूटर कंट्रोल रोबोट और अ सॉफ्टवेयर थिंक इंटेलिजेंटली. जैसे कि इंसान इंटेलिजेंट है ना, जैसे वो सोचता है, द थिंकिंग प्रोसेस, द लॉजिकल रीजनिंग पार्ट, वो इम्प्लीमेंट करना ऑन अ डिवाइस और मशीन. दैट इज कॉल्ड आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. Artificial intelligence is accomplished by studying how human brain thinks and how humans learn, decide, and work while trying to solve a problem, and then using the outcome of this study as a basis of developing intelligent software and systems. तो artificial intelligence कैसे आया? तो सबसे पहले तो they have to study our brain. इंसान का ब्रेन कैसे सोचता है, हाउ वी लर्न. ओके, सी, ऑन द फर्स्ट डे द किड डज नॉट नो हाउ टू वॉक, but slowly gradually he grows up and he learns how to walk. Okay, then you start making decisions. Okay, I want to go left, I want to go right, and you can do multiple things at the same time. You're eating food and you're thinking, okay, I'll do this work in the assignment, I will make this particular picture for my competition. Okay, so all those things, they are doing studies on all those things, and then based on their study they are developing intelligent softwares and systems. AI includes tools and techniques like artificial neural networks, machine learning, natural language processing, and deep learning to work like the human mind. न्यूरल नेटवर्क क्या होता है? जो हमारे दिमाग की जो वायरिंग है, इफ यू सी इन द पिक्चर, you can see all those स्मॉल रिंकली थिंग्स, राइट। अब हमारे दिमाग की वायरिंग है, ठीक है। आपका दिमाग कभी भी ना, यू विल नॉट थिंक ऑन वन सिंगल थिंग एट a time. There are things which are connected to that thing, and all of them will pop up to your mind at the same time. So how that works, that is because of the neural network of our brain cells. Okay, so similarly, there is a artificial neural network developed for robots to introduce artificial intelligence in them. Then machine learning, natural language processing. What is our natural language? Natural language is fifth generation language, right? We have done that. Okay. Deep learning. कैसे ह्यूमन माइंड काम करता है, सो टू implement that process, to copy that process, that is called artificial intelligence. Chess playing computers, voice recognition system, learning, planning and problem solving systems are few examples of artificial intelligence. Okay. Trivia. John McAfee invented the term artificial intelligence. कहाँ से आई ये term? It was invented by John McAfee. He was one of the founders of the discipline of artificial intelligence. उन्होंने ही ये जो artificial intelligence वाला branch है, method है, ये start करा था. One of the persons. Okay. In 1997, chess computer Deep Blue, invented by IBM. So in 1997, IBM was developing a computer which could play chess. The name of that computer was Deep Blue. It beat the leading world champion Gary Kasparov, जो उस समय के chess grandmaster थे, Gary Kasparov, in a series of 6 games. 6 game की series में that Deep Blue computer, it won a game with Gary Kasparov, who was the grandmaster at that time. Applications of AI. Artificial intelligence is already in use in many fields. So we are going to read about some of them. In classroom. Now, in classroom, a single teacher cannot work with each student at once. सभी बच्चों के साथ हम एक साथ काम कर सकते हैं क्या? No. AI tutors would allow for students to get extra one-on-one help in areas of needed growth. तो जो AI tutor है, that will help the students. ठीक है, आपका टीचर आपको पढ़ा रहा है, at the same time जो आपका AI tutor है, that will help you to give you that extra information जो भी आपको one to one help चाहिए होती है, right? The idea is that when students sit at their desk, their device will be able to create lessons, problems and games to tailor to the specific students needs. मतलब आपका जो इंटेलिजेंस का लेवल है, आपका जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग का लेवल है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग वो डिवाइस आपका लेसन प्लान बनाने में एक्सपर्ट हो जाएगा, ठीक है। particularly where a students may be struggling and give immediate feedback. जहाँ पे भी आपको प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, they will plan a lesson कि आपको वो प्रॉब्लम जल्दी से रिजॉल्व हो जाए, ठीक है। and whenever you will attempt those exercises, it will give you immediate feedback. आपने ये सही किया, आपने ये wrong किया, यहाँ पे ये method use होना चाहिए, all those kind of stuff. Hospital and medicine. AI helps in computer-aided interpretation of medical images. जो मेडिकल इमेजेस होती है जैसे सीटी स्कैन और एमआरआई, उनको इंटरप्रेट करने में, उनको अंडरस्टैंड करने में भी एआई हेल्प करता है. इट कैन हेल्प यू विद to find out the typical appearances and to highlight obvious sections such as possible disease. कोई भी पॉसिबल डिजीज अगर उन पिक्चर से पता चल रही है तो विथ हेल्प ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस वी कैन फाइंड देम आउट. अ टिपिकल एप्लीकेशन इज डिटेक्शन ऑफ ट्यूमर, ठीक है. एक वन ऑफ द एप्लीकेशन इज डिटेक्शन ऑफ ट्यूमर. नाउ दीज रोबोट्स आर ऑल्सो बीइंग यूज्ड इन सर्जरीज एंड एज नर्स एज वेल. ठीक है, वो सर्जरी में भी हेल्प कर रहे हैं डॉक्टर्स की, और वो नर्स की तरह से पेशेंट्स की भी हेल्प कर रहे हैं, टेक केयर कर रहे हैं. Expert systems. An expert system is a computer software that attempts to mimic the decision making expertise of an expert in a given field. तो आपको किसी भी चीज में आपको suppose you have got a project, now you don't know what to do with it, so first of all you will go to an expert, you will go to your father or your mother and you'll ask, okay, I have got this project, now what should I do? So you are taking an expert opinion. Similarly, the expert system is a system which is developed to mimic your like your father will do. Okay, तो वो आपको वैसे ही एडवाइस देंगे जैसे आपके एक्सपर्ट आपको एडवाइस दे रहे हैं. There are some applications which integrate machine, software and special information to impart reasoning and advising. ठीक है, तो इसके लिए कुछ अलग से स्पेशल एप्लीकेशंस बनाए गए हैं जो आपकी नीड्स के हिसाब से और उसमें रीजनिंग और लॉजिकल एडवाइजिंग लगा के आपको एडवाइस देंगे. दे प्रोवाइड एक्सप्लेनेशन एंड एडवाइस टू द यूजर्स. क्या करते हैं वो यूजर्स को एक्सप्लेनेशन एंड एडवाइस प्रोवाइड करते हैं. So how expert system work? So look at this picture. Human expert will give all his intelligence. मतलब वो सारी अपनी बातें बताता है to knowledge engineer. Okay. So knowledge engineer will jot down all the information from the human expert. Now based on that information, it will make a knowledge base. जो knowledge engineer है वो क्या बनाता है? Knowledge base. ठीक है. Now there is an inference engine and then there is a user interface. जब आपका user जो है वो user interface से बात करता है, ठीक है, जो आपका front end होता है expert system का, जब आपका user उससे बात करता है तो वो based on his questions वो inference engine use करता है और knowledge base में search करता है कि okay, अभी मुझे user ने पूछा है कि पपाया कौन से कलर का होता है, so he will go and search in the knowledge base and say, okay, papaya is yellow, orange type in color. Okay. Speech recognition. There are various systems which are capable of hearing and understanding the language in terms of sentences and their meaning while a human talks to it. ठीक है, तो बहुत सारे सिस्टम है जो आपकी बातों को सुन सकते हैं, समझ सकते हैं. When you are talking to it, they will respond. It can handle different accents, slang words, noise in background, change in human's voice due to cold, etc. तो वो उनको इस तरह से डेवलप किया गया है कि दे कैन हैंडल डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एक्सेंट्स. आपकी जो अलग अलग साउंड, हरियाणवी में अगर बात करें क्यारे छरे, या फिर आप हमारे इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे तो हाउ इट इज वर्किंग, हिंदी में बोलेंगे तो हिंदी में हम कैसे सर्च करें. ठीक है, तो आप किसी भी लैंग्वेज में वो बोलेंगे, किसी भी एक्सेंट में आप बोलेंगे तो इट विल बी एबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज. Intelligent robots. Robots which are able to perform the task given by human. They have senses to detect physical data from real world such as light, heat, temperature, movement, sound, bump and pressure. Now suppose there is an intelligent robot and you'll ask, okay, I'm running at a speed of 90 kilometer per hour. So when should I press brake if I want to stop after 2 kilometers? ठीक है, so he will calculate all the things and he will give you answer, okay, you should press your brake like in 1 minute or whatever. Okay, so they have all this calculation which they can do. That's why they are called intelligent robots. They have efficient processors, उनके processor बहुत efficient होते हैं, multiple sensors and huge memory to exhibit intelligence. अब इंटेलिजेंस कैसे एग्जिबिट करेंगे? अगर उनके पास छोटी सी मेमोरी होगी, थोड़ी सी इंफॉर्मेशन रहेगी तो दे विल नॉट बी एबल टू गिव प्रॉपर एडवाइस, राइट? सो फॉर दैट दे हैव ह्यूज मेमोरी बेस. ओके, in addition they are capable of learning from their mistakes and they can adapt to their new environment. जो इंटेलिजेंट होता है वो इंटेलिजेंट तभी होता है ना जो वो अपनी मिस्टेक से लर्न कर सके. ठीक है, so these are also capable of learning from their mistake and they can adopt to their new environment. अगर आप उनका environment change भी कर दोगे तो they can adapt to it. Okay, speech recognition का example can you give me some? Hmm? Like you are giving speech commands to Google or your MITV, right? That is also speech recognition. Entertainment. A familiar application of artificial intelligence in everyday life is seen with services like Netflix or Amazon, wherein an algorithm analyzes the user's activity and compare it with that of the other users to determine which shows or products to recommend. अभी कभी आपने देखा होगा कि आप जब मूवीज देखते रहते हैं, आपने अगर देखी होगी अमेजोन प्राइम पे या नेटफ्लिक्स पे, तो आप एक मूवी देखते हैं तो उससे रिलेटेड और 5 मूवीज दे विल शो कि यू कैन वॉच दिस ऑल्सो. So how they do it? So they track your information, what all things you are watching, then they compare it with their other users and find out, okay, if a person is watching XYZ movie, so he might like this ABC movie also. So based on that, they are giving recommendations. The algorithms are becoming intelligent with time. Initially, so they will have no data, so they will not be intelligent. But as soon as users start using them and there are multiple users and they are using it very frequently, then their database builds. ठीक है. तो जब उनका डेटाबेस बनता है तो वो धीरे धीरे टाइम के साथ वो और इंटेलिजेंट होते जाते हैं, to the extent of understanding that the user may want to buy a product as a gift for a different family member who have different watching preferences. ठीक है. तो इनफैक्ट वो इतने इंटेलिजेंट हो जाते हैं कि अगर आपके पापा ने सोचा है कि आपकी मम्मा के लिए कोई गिफ्ट लेना है और आपने उस साइट को बता दिया कि मुझे ना मेरी वाइफ के लिए गिफ्ट लेना है, तो वो आपकी वाइफ की वो देखेंगे कि वो किस टाइप के प्रोडक्ट्स पसंद करती है एंड देन दे विल सजेस्ट कि ओके, yes, these are some products that your wife might like. Fine. Smart virtual assistants. A virtual assistant is an application that can understand voice commands and complete tasks for a user. Virtual assistant क्या होता है कि जो आपने मुंह से बोला and that it will do that task. ठीक है. There are some virtual homes, तो वहां पे आप बोलोगे switch off light, you might have seen in the movies. Close the door, तो door close हो जाता है. ठीक है. They combine specialized computer chips, microphones, and software that listen for specific spoken commands from you and usually answers back with a voice that you select. ठीक है. तो उनका जो पूरा जो प्रोसेसर होता है उसमें स्पेशलाइज्ड कंप्यूटर चिप्स होते हैं, उसमें माइक्रोफोन होते हैं और एक सॉफ्टवेयर होता है. ठीक है. जो पूरा सिस्टम होता है उसमें, तो through all these things they listen to whatever you're saying and then respond to you according to your demand. They are available on smartphones and devices like Amazon Echo, Google Home, है ना. अगेन जैसे मैंने वॉइस रिकॉग्निशन के लिए बोला था, देयर आर सिमिलर प्रोडक्ट, बस दे आर स्मार्ट. हाउ दे आर स्मार्ट? दे विल बी एबल टू आंसर यू बैक based on your questions. Apple's Siri, Amazon's Alexa, Microsoft's Cortana, and Google Assistant are example of smart virtual assistants. Okay, let's revise. A robot is a machine programmable by a computer. Robotics is the branch of science and engineering that deals with the design, construction, operation, and application of robots. Industrial robots are often designed to perform dangerous as well as repetitive tasks that cannot be done by humans. Service robots assist human beings by performing a job that is dirty, dull, distant, dangerous, or repetitive, including household chores. Agricultural robots using advanced sensors will spray for weed control, harvest crops, plant seeds, and trim existing plants and trees. Military robots include bomb disposable robots, different transportation robots, exploration drones, etc. Artificial intelligence is a way of making a computer controlled robot or a software to think intelligently in the similar manner the human thinks. A virtual assistant is an application that can understand voice commands and complete tasks for a user. An expert system attempts to mimic the decision making expertise of an expert in a given field. Speech recognition systems are capable of hearing and understanding the language in terms of sentences and their meaning while a human talks to it. AI helps in computer-aided interpretation of medical images. Intelligent robots are capable of learning from their mistakes and they can adapt to new environments. Okay, so here we have done our third chapter. Now go ahead, read the chapter in your book and solve the end of the chapter exercises. Let me know if you are facing any problem. Okay, bye bye.